This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Sunshine on piano using an easy method. We'll start by identifying the main melody, often played by your right hand. Then, we'll break down the song into smaller, manageable sections. This approach helps you build confidence and muscle memory quickly, making the learning process enjoyable and effective for beginners. Now, let's talk about basic hand placement and finding your starting notes. Place your right thumb on middle C and your left pinky on the C an octave below. This provides a good foundation. We'll focus on simple scales and arpeggios found in the game's soundtrack. Remember to keep your wrists relaxed and fingers curved for optimal playability. Once you're comfortable with individual notes, it's time to combine them into melodies. Start with the main theme, playing it slowly and accurately. After mastering the melody, gradually introduce simple chords with your left hand. Don't rush. Focus on smooth transitions between notes and chords. Consistent practice, even for 15 minutes daily, yields great results. To truly bring the music to life, try listening to the original Super Mario Sunshine soundtrack. This helps you internalize the rhythm and feel. Consider adding your own flair with dynamics, playing some parts louder or softer. Remember, practice makes perfect, and enjoying the process is key. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.